Hi, it's Lou Manfredini, Ace's home expert, and for those of you that live in a colder climate where snow and ice are part of your winter routine, I've got a tip for you that I think you're going to find pretty interesting. You know, one of the great things about weather these days is that the weather forecasters do a pretty good job of forecasting what's going to happen. When they tell you it's going to snow a few inches, you know, they're pretty spot on. And so if you can plan for snowfall and ice buildup, then what I'm going to show you is the perfect product for you. This is liquid calcium chloride by a company called Quick Joe. It's actually a version of the ice melt that you would use in granular form, but it offers you the flexibility to use it in a very different way. So you can buy this in 1-gallon jugs like this or 5-gallon jugs, depending on how much area you need to cover. And where this really works well is with a pump sprayer like this. You'll pour it inside the pump sprayer, which I've already done, and prior to a storm coming. So let's say it's a weeknight and they tell you that in a couple of days or the next day it's gonna snow like crazy and the temperature is gonna drop. You can go ahead and take that pump sprayer outside and go ahead and on the pavement, whether it's your sidewalk or your driveway, just put a little bit of coating over the top of this. You're gonna pump that pump sprayer up and get that thing going, and then go ahead and apply it. Now here's the benefit of using liquid calcium chloride. It will actually get absorbed a little bit in the top layer of the concrete or the blacktop and form this barrier, so that if it snows, and even if you get 4 or 5 inches of snow, it'll make it much easier for you to shovel or even use a snow thrower, and you'll be able to clean it all the way down to the material, whether it's concrete or blacktop. What I also like about it is if you have pets. Anyone that has pets knows that if you send a dog outside, they can get that ice melt in the granular form into their pads, and maybe you wipe their feet, but you miss it and it can burn them. Now you still have to wipe their feet when they come in using a liquid calcium chloride, but it really is a terrific product. Another benefit is you're not wasting a lot of the product because you're pinpointing the application with the pump sprayer. And after just a few applications, there'll be a barrier down there that if you get a little bit of some light snow, you may notice that it just melts away and don't have to shovel at all. If you need more advice on what's the right ice melt product for you, just go to your local participating Ace store. Remember, Ace is the winter helpful place.